What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix the screen not responding to touches issue on your Redmi cell phone. So to fix this issue, first of all try restarting your phone. So to restart, press and hold on this power button and then swipe down this white circle, and when this circle gets green you can release your finger to restart your phone. And after restarting your phone, the screen touches issue will be fixed. But if you are still unable to touch your screen normally, then the next solution is, if you have installed any screen protector or protecting glass, then remove that screen protector and clean your screen with a clean cloth, and after that the touches issue will be fixed. But if you're still facing the issue, then the last solution is open settings. Now in settings, tap on about phone. Now here you can tap on this software version, and after that check if your phone's software is updated to the latest version or not. So if your phone's software is not updated to the latest version, then update the phone's software, and after updating the phone's software, the screen not responding to touches issue will be 100% fixed. So that's how you can fix the screen not responding to touches issue on your Redmi cell phone. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.